Hello students, today we see the last article of the chapter complex number. Okay, that is the cube root of unity. Okay, unity it is a 1. Okay, we find the cube root of 1. Okay, let we consider the x be the cube root of 1. Okay, here x be the cube root of 1, therefore we can write x cube is equal to 1. Here it is x cube is equal to 1, therefore cube root of 1 it is a x. Okay, now we find the values of x, therefore here we can write it is x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now again here we use the formula a cube minus b cube expansion. Here a cube minus b cube, it is a minus b and it is a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, it is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. It is a cube and it is b cube, that is 1 cube. Okay, now we expand it is x minus 1 and it is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore we can write x minus 1 equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we get the x is equal to 1, but it is a quadratic equation, therefore we solve the quadratic equation. Okay, there is no factor. Okay, here factors are not done, therefore here we use the formula method. Okay, now therefore we can write it is x is equal to 1, it is a 1 root of this. Okay, x is equal to 1, or here by formula method x is equal to, formula it is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a. Okay, here minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4 a and it is c upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. Therefore it is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to, it is minus 1 plus or minus, here under root of minus 3, 1 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, and it is under root of minus 3, that means imaginary number, that means it is a complex number. Okay, therefore the root of unity, cube root of unity, it is one root is real and other two roots are the complex numbers. And here now we see the complex numbers are, it is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, it is under root 3i upon 2. Then x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3i upon 2 or x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 I upon 2. Okay, here. Okay, observe this. These are the complex numbers. Okay, therefore cube root of unity, it is a cube root, it is one root is a real and other two roots are the complex number, and these complex number are conjugate of each other. Here imaginary part sign it is plus and here imaginary part is sign minus, therefore they might differ by the sign of the imaginary part. Okay, therefore these two numbers are the complex conjugate of each other. Okay, therefore here we can write 1 comma plus minus 1 plus under root 3i upon 2 and minus 1 minus under root 3 upon 2. Okay, are roots. Okay, there is one root is real and other two are complex conjugate of each other. Okay, now it is a real root and are the complex numbers. These two roots are the complex conjugate of each other. These three roots. Okay. Now we consider these complex roots. Okay. Here, one root is alpha and other root is beta. Let alpha is equal to -1 plus under root 3i upon 2 and beta is equal to -1 minus under root 3 upon 2. Okay. Here alpha and beta are the complex conjugate of each other. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay. Now we observe it is alpha square. Alpha square is equal to -1 plus under root 3i upon 2 whole square, that is equal to, okay, whole square. Okay, we get square, it is a plus b whole square. -1 square, it is 1. Then minus 2 under root 3i and it is plus 3i square whole to the upon 4. Okay, it is a square of this term. -1 square, then multiplication and it is a twice, and root 3i square, it is 3, root 3i whole square, it is a 3i square. We know that I square, it is a -1. Therefore we can write it is 1 minus 2 under root 3i minus 3 upon 4. Then it is -2 minus 2 under root 3i upon 4. Then take 2 common. Therefore we can write alpha square is equal to -1 minus under root 3i upon 2, and it is a beta. Okay, therefore it is alpha square is equal to beta. Okay, then similarly we prove beta square is equal to alpha. Okay, and here beta square, same procedure, -1 minus under root 3i upon 2 whole square is equal to then 1 plus 2 under root 3i plus 3i square upon 4. Then it is 1 plus 2 under root 3i minus 3 upon 4, and that is equal to -2 plus 2 under root 3i upon 4. Again 2 common and then denominator madle 2 cancel. Then b square is equal to -1 plus under root 3i upon 2, and it is alpha. Therefore you can write beta square is equal to alpha. Okay, here therefore root of the equation x cube minus 1 equal to 0, it is a cube root of unity. Okay, here x cube minus 1 root of the equation x cube minus 1 equal to 0 are, it is one is real and other two are the complex conjugate of each other. And also here the relation between these two roots, one root is a square of other. Okay, one root is a square of other, one root is a square of other. Okay, therefore we take here it is a alpha square is equal to beta or beta square is equal to alpha. Alpha square is equal to beta or beta square is equal to alpha. Therefore we take, let here it is alpha is equal to take omega, and therefore beta is equal to it is omega square. When we take alpha is equal to omega, therefore beta is equal to it is omega square. Therefore roots of the equation roots of x cube minus 1 equal to 0 are 1 omega and it is omega square are the roots. 1 omega and omega square. Okay, see carefully. Okay, it is a notation for the roots omega and it is omega square. Roots are 1 alpha and beta. It is 1, it is alpha and it is beta. Alpha is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 I upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. 1 alpha beta. 1 alpha beta are the roots of x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Here we put alpha is equal to omega. Okay, it is a notation. Okay, alpha is equal to omega, therefore beta is equal to, it is omega square. Alpha square is equal to beta. Okay, therefore roots are 1 alpha beta, that is 1 omega and omega square are the roots of this equation. That means this equation satisfy all these roots. Okay, this equation satisfy, that is the values of x. X is equal to 1, x is equal to omega and x is equal to omega square. Okay, now we write this in the form of here. Okay, see carefully here. We can write here, it is a 1 omega and omega square are the roots of this. Therefore we get the results. Here x minus 1 equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore omega satisfy this relation. Okay. Omega satisfy this relation. That therefore we can write omega square plus omega and plus 1 is equal to 0. Also omega satisfy this and omega cube is equal to 1. Omega cube is equal to 1. Therefore here from this we get the results. Omega cube is equal to 1. Omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. From this we can write it is omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Then omega square plus 1 is equal to minus omega and omega plus 1 is equal to minus omega square. Okay. Here from this cube root of unity we get these 4 results. It is omega cube is equal to 1 and these 4 results. Okay, here हे दोन रिझल्ट केअरफुली पहा. ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 अँड ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, हे बाकी हे 3 रिझल्ट याच रिझल्टून तयार केले. ओके, बाकीचे लक्षात नाही राहिले तरी चालतात, या रिझल्टून तयार करता येतात. ओके, हियर ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 अँड ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. ओके, हियर ओमेगा क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, then omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1, omega square plus 1 is equal to minus omega, and omega plus 1 is equal to minus omega square. Now it is omega cube is equal to minus 1. Therefore we can write here omega to the power 6. Omega to the power 6 is equal to, it is omega cube square, and that is 1 square, it is 1. Omega to the power 6. Then we get omega to the power 9. Omega cube to the power 3, again it is 1 cube, again it is 1. Then we get omega to the power 10. Here we know that the omega cube, okay, therefore the power is divisible by 3, therefore we can write this omega into omega to the power 9, and then omega to the power 9 it is 1, therefore omega into 1, therefore it is omega. Okay, omega to the power 10 is equal to omega. Omega to the power 11, here omega square into omega to the power 9. Here we know that the omega to the power 3, therefore power is a perfectly divisible by 3, then we get form in the omega cube. It is a divisible by 3, therefore omega cube square, it is divisible by 3, omega cube to the power 3. Okay, suppose we get it is 23. 23 not divisible by omega, it is not divisible by 3, therefore we can write omega into omega to the power 21. Okay, and now it is omega square into omega cube to the power 7. It is 1, 1 to the power 7, 1, and it is omega square. Therefore the value of omega to the power 23, it is a omega square. Okay, here we see in the examples फक्त हे results, हे very important results. It is a cube root of unity. Omega is a cube root of unity. Omega is cube root of unity. Then this result is an important result to solve the problems. Omega cube is equal to 1. Okay. Now we see the examples on this. Example, find the value of number 1 omega to the power 18, number 2 omega to the power 21, number 3 omega to the power minus 30, 4 omega to the power minus 105, then 5 omega to the power 20, it is omega to the power 32. Now here we find the value. We know that omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, here omega cube is equal to 1. Here omega is complex cube root of unity. Okay, therefore it is omega cube is equal to 1. It is a given. Okay, we know that omega cube is equal to 1. Then first example, omega to the power 18. Here we know that omega cube, okay, we know that the omega to the power 3, omega to the power 3 is equal to 1. Therefore convert this omega to the power 18 into omega to the power 3. Okay, 18, okay, is divisible by 3. Therefore we can write here omega cube to the power 6. Okay, 6 into 3, it is 18. And we know that omega cube is equal to 1. Therefore 1 to the power 6 and it is 1. Therefore omega to the power 18 is equal to 1. Then second example, omega to the power 21. Again 21 is divisible by 3. Okay, then it is 1 to the power 7. Again it is 1. Then third example, omega to the power minus 30. Okay, here power आधी पॉझिटिव्ह करून घ्या, नंतर divisible by 3 or minus 30 is also divisible by 3. Okay, therefore we can write here omega cube to the power minus 10, it is minus 30, and then it is 1 to the power minus 10. This can be written as 1 upon 1 to the power 10. It is 1 upon 1. Again it is 1. Okay, किंवा सुरुवातीलाच पॉवर पॉझिटिव्ह करून घ्या, दॅट इज 1 अपॉन ओमेगा टू द पॉवर 30 अँड देन सॉलिड. ओके, देन इट इज फोर्थ. ओके, फोर्थला आपण त्या पद्धतीने करू, आधीच पॉझिटिव्ह करू. 1 अपॉन ओमेगा टू द पॉवर 105. अगेन 105 इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट 1 अपॉन ओमेगा क्यूब. ओके, ओमेगा क्यूब टू द पॉवर 35 is equal to 1 upon 1 to the power 35, that is 1 upon 1 and it is 1. Okay, now it is fifth, omega to the power 20. Okay, then 20 is not divisible by 3, therefore we can write here omega square into omega to the power 18. Okay, now it is omega to the power 20. Now omega square as it is into it is omega cube to the power 6, then omega square into 1 to the power 6, and 1 to the power 6 it is 1, therefore it is omega square. Therefore, the value of omega to the power 20, it is omega square. Now, it is sixth example. Omega to the power 32. Okay. Then again it is omega square. Okay. We get here 31. Okay. Different example. Okay. 32. We get when 32, then it is omega square. Okay. We get 31. Okay. Then here omega into omega to the power 30. Then omega into omega to the power 3 to the power 10. Then omega into 1 to the power 10, and it is omega. Okay. It is omega to the power 31. Then it is omega to the power 31, it is omega. When it is omega to the power 32, then it becomes omega square. Okay. And when omega to the power 33, it is a 1 because it is divisible by 3. This can be written as in the form of the omega cube. Okay. Now we see next example. If omega is the complex cube root of unity, complex cube root of unity, then find the value of, number 1 omega plus 1 upon omega. Okay, here. Okay, it is the first example. Now it is given omega is the complex cube root of unity. Okay. Therefore, we know that omega cube is equal to 1 and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, it is omega cube is equal to 1, omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, here we get here omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Then omega square plus 1 is equal to minus omega, and omega plus 1 or 1 plus omega, it is minus omega square. Okay, we get these 5 results. Okay, when omega is a cube root of unity. Now the example here given omega plus 1 upon omega, then it is omega square plus 1 upon omega, omega square addition, omega square plus 1 upon omega. Then omega square plus 1, it is a minus omega upon, it is omega, and therefore it is minus 1. Therefore it is the first example, omega plus 1 upon omega, it is a minus 1. Now we get second. Omega square plus omega cube plus omega to the power 4. Okay. Now here we know that this, then omega square plus omega cube plus omega to the power 4 is equal to, we know that here in the relation omega square omega cube, but it is omega to the power 4. But here in 3 terms take common omega square. Then we have 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square, and then it is omega square into, it is a 0. And therefore the second example value of this, it is a 0. Okay. Now third. Okay, see carefully. One minus omega square cube plus 1 minus omega plus omega square cube. Okay. Now here given it is omega is a cube root of unity, therefore we get the properties of omega cube is equal to 1 and this relation. Then we use this relation for finding the value of this. Therefore here 1 minus omega square whole cube plus 1 minus omega plus omega square cube, okay, is equal to, here we know that the value of omega square plus omega, here it is minus omega square minus, take minus common, and here omega square plus 1, here already given it is omega square plus 1. Okay. Now this can be written as here 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. Okay. Now plus again here 1 plus omega square minus omega whole cube. It is 1 plus omega square. Okay. His term as it is Lily, and then we know that it is 1 minus omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square, it is minus 1 whole cube plus 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square, it is minus omega cube. Okay. Now it is 2 cube plus minus 2 omega cube. Okay, carefully. Okay. Now it is 8 and minus 8 omega cube, and again omega cube is equal to 1, and therefore it becomes 0. Okay, it is the value of this. Okay. Now we see next example. Okay. See carefully all calculation. We use these properties. Now it is 1 plus omega 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega to the power 4 and 1 plus omega to the power 8. Now here it is given that we find the value of 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega to the power 4. We know that the value of omega cube, omega square and omega. Okay, here omega to the power 4 and omega to the power 8. First we find the value of these two. Okay, here now we find first value omega to the power 4, and it is omega into omega cube, and then it is omega into 1, it is omega. Then omega to the power 8, then it is omega square into omega to the power 6, then it is omega square into omega cube to the power 2, and then it is omega square into 1 to the power 2, and that is omega square. Therefore we can write here omega to the power 4 is equal to omega, and omega to the power 8 is equal to omega square. Now therefore 1 plus omega 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega to the power 4, and it is 1 plus omega to the power 8 is equal to, it is 1 plus omega as it is, 1 plus omega square as it is. Now here 1 plus omega to the power 4, it is omega, and into 1 plus omega square, Now it is 1 plus omega and it is 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square. Put all the values. Therefore 1 plus omega minus omega square. 1 plus omega square, it is minus omega. Okay, here. Then again minus omega square, it is minus omega. Now here we can write minus minus plus omega cube into omega cube, omega cube into omega cube, and then it is 1 into 1, and then last answer it is 1. Okay, see carefully, we use these properties. When omega is a cube root of unity, then omega cube is equal to 1 and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. ओके, ह्या दोन व्हॅल्यू लक्षात राहू द्या. ओके, या व्हॅल्यूवरूनच मग ह्या तीन व्हॅल्यू लिहिलेल्या. ओके, आणि ह्या सगळ्या आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेममध्ये यूज करायच्या. कुठेही ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा दिसले की त्या जागेवर -1 लिहा, ओमेगा स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 दिसले की त्या जागेवर मायनस ओमेगा, आणि पॉवर 3 पेक्षा जास्त आली तर त्याला या फॉर्मनुसार कन्वर्ट करा. पॉवर 3 पेक्षा जास्त 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 99 कोणतेही पॉवर येऊ द्या. ओके, ते ओमेगा, ओमेगा स्क्वेअर किंवा ओमेगा क्यूब, ओमेगा, ओमेगा स्क्वेअर किंवा ओमेगा क्यूब या तीन मध्येच कन्वर्ट करा आणि देन कॅल्क्युलेशन.